Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get Roblox voice chat. Let's get started. First, you must be 13 years old or older. Roblox voice chat is not available for users under 13. You also need to verify your phone number or your ID or age in your settings. Note that voice chat only works in games experiences that supports it. It won't work everywhere. First, just log in the Roblox using a mobile app, desktop app, or a browser. Then go to settings, and then go to privacy and content and communication settings. In that menu, find the voice chat or use microphone toggle and turn it on. If it prompts you for consent or microphone permission, accept it. Once enabled, when you join a enabled game, you see a microphone icon above your character and tap it to mute or unmute. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.